Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love South African reality TV, drama and emotional truths, you're in the right place today. Today we're talking about the biggest shock of the new season of Uthandweni Sithembu. Musa Mseleku is taking a fifth wife. And this time, it's not just talk. This woman is young, she's ready, and the four wives we know and love are reacting in ways that are shaking the entire house. So get comfortable, grab your tea, and let's dive in deep into what each wife had to say, what it means for Musa's empire, and whether this family can survive what's coming next. Musa Mseleku has confirmed that he's adding a fifth wife. She's 25 years old, and this is no longer just a suggestion. This is a done deal. She's married her. She went to pay lobola in the latest episode that we watched, meaning it's a done deal. He's bringing her in, and this decision has shaken the family to its core. The wives are used to surprises, but this time, this shock hit differently. Maybe it's age, maybe it's timing, or maybe, just maybe, it's the way he did it. No warning, no agreement, just a decision. Even though the other wives refused, like he just shocked them, went on to marry number 5. Let's talk about Umacele. Umacele shocked everyone by saying she supports the decision. The same Macele who once said she would never accept a fifth wife after her 20 years of marriage is now calmly sitting back and saying Musa can do as he pleases. But here's the thing. Her support feels more like a power move than true acceptance. She isn't supporting because she wants this to work. She's supporting because she wants others to know she's not shaken and she's untouchable, and she wants them to feel what she felt when they came after her. This approval also puts pressure on the other wives. It isolates them. Suddenly, they all can't stand united in resistance. Macele is watching them from a throne, letting the fire burn around her. And then Umayeni, she's deeply unhappy, even when back home to Oshabeni, to stay there and get a breather. She doesn't raise her voice, but her silence says it all. She looks at Musa like he's broken something important. She's always been clear about her boundaries. She's the calm one, the logical one. I mean, yes, Mayeni is calm, although sometimes she comes across as, what can I say? I can't even say rude, but she's sharp. But this time, I feel like she feels betrayed. Musa moved without their unity, without communication, and Macele's support, that only makes it worse. And then Makhumalo's heart is broken. The fifth wife is from her village, her home. It feels personal. Makhumalo has always shown love, always tried to hold the public image together. But this time, she couldn't hide the pain. You could see the sadness in her eyes. It wasn't about jealousy. It was about feeling overlooked and deeply hurt. She's questioning her place in the family, her role, her worth, and when one wife starts to feel like a stranger in an old marriage, that's when things fall apart. And then Umangwabe has always drawn the line. She said it season ago, if Musa takes another wife, she's leaving, and now she's ready to go. She feels unheard, disrespected, and emotionally exhausted. This isn't just a family issue for her, it's a matter of principle. She won't stay where she isn't valued, and this decision may be the last straw. From Musa's perspective, wait, I'm sorry guys, let me come into something. I was thinking of another point. Let me just do this. The fifth wife is 25 years old. She's young. That's a huge difference from the rest of the wives, and this changes the game. From Musa's perspective, a younger wife might bring more children, more energy, and less resistance. I mean, we've seen them in the diary sessions explaining how vibrant his life has been, especially their bedroom life. But from the other wife's side, it feels like a slap in the face. She's not just new, she's young enough to be their daughter. That changes the power balance and makes the older wives feel like they're being phased out. What do you think, guys? But that's also how I feel. I don't blame them. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of Musa taking the fifth wife. So the pros from Musa are that a younger wife may mean more children, she may be easier to lead, and she has no past family drama. And then the cons, the problems that could come with this, it has created tension in his home already, and it makes the older wives feel replaced and old and useless, I think. And also, it has broken family unity and may cause one or more wives to leave. Umayeni has already gone home to Oshabeni, and then we've seen Umangwabe constantly threatening and even sitting down her daughter Umawande to ask her how she feels about the separation of both their parents, how she feel when they divorce. She's trying to prepare her children for the worst case scenario. So those are the pros that number 5 can bring, and others on social media are blaming issue number 5, this cause of disunity in the family. They're blaming number 5 for Musa's health. We've seen that Musa hasn't been well. He got a stroke, a health condition, stroke 2 times due to the tension. I'm just thinking that it was due to the tension between him and his 4 wives because of him taking number 5. So those are the cons of bringing in number 5. Now the question is Musa building or breaking? Is he expanding his family or destroying it? What do you think, guys? Some would say culture matters, but so does love, so does respect. You can't keep building new rooms while the foundation is cracking. The wives are hurting, the unity is broken, and Musa seems more focused on numbers than emotions. So what do you think? Is Macele really okay with this? Is Mangwabe going to leave? Can Makhumalo recover? And is Mayeni going to stay silent forever or going to go home to Oshabeni forever? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you Team Macele? Are you Team Mayeni? Are you Team Mangwabe? Are you Team Makhumalo? Let's talk about it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's watching the drama unfold just like we are. Thanks for watching. Stay real, stay honest, and stay tuned because this story is far from over. Bye.